Right, we are recording.
Okay, cool. Right,
The reason that we're doing this is, if I can come around here, just here, this has been positioned so badly. This incidentally has never been touched by us. That's how it's come from the factory. Basically, with the banjo actually rubbing against the... Oh, hang on, I've lost it. There we go.
the handlebars.
Rubbing against the handlebars, which is not good. So we're going to loosen it off and reset it.
8mm.
8mm screws.
Get it in the old right mode. God, yeah, there's a pull. They're done up.
I seem to recall when we did this to mine.
Please don't drop this on my petrol tank.
Ah,
Right,
that
just
moved,
wanted
that moved much more
a
easily.
little gap between here and here. Yep, we good? We good
Yep.
there? Do you reckon that's
I reckon that's good.
horizontal? The lock on this don't work.
There, you could push the button at the back. That's it.
It locks it in. You need it to put it in, but it just drops out. Right, okay. I've got to hold on to that then. Let's put a pinch on it. I'll have to hold on to it.
Good thing we put the tail against your tank.
It actually hit the exhaust. It didn't mark the exhaust. Right, I've got to wiggle that up to get it into place. Are we happy with that there?
I think so, yeah. Well, I mean, you've got a bit of a gap here now. So.
I suppose I could jump on it. Let me put that in my pocket.
Oh. I shall stand back and watch the expert at work.
Can I have that in writing? I've got it on video that you called me an expert.
Put it on video, I'm not putting it in writing. I'll claim that I was coerced into it.
Phone's beeping away like mad in my pocket.
Yeah. By the way, that, you see that little gap down there? That is what it should be like. The physical gap. Yeah, I shall move the wires out of the way so you can see it. Okay. Okay. Should never be a situation where the banjo and the handlebars are touching.
Do it up from this side so you can see. Okay, don't want to put much more on that. Just going to move this one back because there's a huge gap on this one. I've got the socket locked. Put that behind me. When they've done these clamps up so tight, they've bitten into the handlebars. And what they do is they've sucked down into the handlebars, into the mark, and got stuck.
I wonder if I can actually show the mark that's there. Don't know whether you
Might
can
be able to
see
pick it
that.
up better on that one.
No, it's alright. I can see it. You see how they've marked it?
Well, it's been done up so tight. Well, that one, I can stick my finger now in that one.
Yeah, let's go across to this one. Oops.
Don't forget you got it?
Yeah, oddly enough, it's not as easy to see
Because the light's coming in the wrong direction.
But this one, it really is very obvious. Naughty.
Very obvious, but it's not that bad. Yeah, there's no need to do them up that flipping tight.
The silly thing is that once these have locked and clamped, there's no way they're going to move. If they're so loose that you can actually move them, then that's obviously wrong. But once they don't move, They're never going to move.
These mirrors are absolutely useless.
They're what, sorry?
These mirrors are absolutely useless, aren't they?
They're not good.
They really are crap. See, if you look, just do it up tight enough so you can get your fingers on it and push before you finally do the final nip up. Make sure these look to the light level. Can you see across there, Jeff? Are they level?
They look pretty much the same. I mean, you're in a better position to tell because you're sitting on it.
Right, so I'll nip these up. Obviously, don't push down, otherwise you'll move them.
That's
just a wrist pull. That's all you need on these. A wrist pull. You know, if you can't pull it further than that, unless you're built like a gorilla.
We're talking about Harley riders
and
here.
If you are, get your child to do it. Sophie Monster was doing stuff like this when she was 3 years old. Right, done.
Okay.
So all I've got to do now is do something with the mirrors. What I'm going to do with the mirrors is I don't know. Is this one is in my face.
Yeah, but I can tell that the angle on this is completely wrong anyway.
All right, stay rolling. I'll just go and get a 14mm when I undo it.
Ah. Now, okay, we're off and running again.
12mm spanner. Undo. These are standard Harley mirrors. What they could do is they've got this sleeve that you can wind up and wind down. And Jeff's on his bike were at two completely different angles, two completely levels. So what I suggest you do is you wind this nut all the way up, like so, and wind the mirror all where you want. That's bottomed out. So that's bottomed out, it won't screw no further. So come back one turn.
And then tighten it, but this has got to be
then
out
drop
at
this down.
That angle for it to be where you want it to be.
Okay.
Which makes it similar-ish.
I will be changing my mirrors, I think, because I need long stem ones, because these are poor. Right, red. Can I tighten that up, dude?
Difficult to look at that, and they look similar. They look similar. You'll probably sit on it and go, it's nothing like the same. Go on, it's nothing like the same.
Oh, sitting downhill, rolling backwards. Didn't do that up very tight. Oh, dear oh dear, you really have to give that a pull then. Okay, that kind of works. I can kind of see the shed behind me. Okay. I should see that panel. Right, okay. That would do. That would do. Only time we'll see if they work. I suppose it's getting these twisted out that way.
Yeah.
So you can get them far enough away from you to turn the mirrors in this way. But you couldn't push them any further back.
Well, no, because as you're coming back in that direction, hang on, if you're moving back there, you're actually turning the mirror in, well, you're actually forcing the mirror inboard.
But, yeah, okay. There's that gap there is...
It's pretty much the same, and the angle's pretty much the same.
We're done.
Okay.
Towel on your tank.
Yes.
All the time. Every time. Do not forget.